Oh, you hear that noise? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So we have a squeaking noise or squealing noise. When you accelerate the throttle on this vehicle, there'd be a lack of power and stuff. And when we first heard the noise, it sounded like it was coming from the serpentine belt area. But the serpentine belt slipping, that wouldn't cause a lack of power. If anything, it'd cause the alternator to not charge the battery or something, but still not gonna give you a lack of power. So we researched it a little bit more. I'm gonna try to pinpoint where the noise is coming from. I'm gonna use a stethoscope and have my friend jam on the gas a couple times, see where it is. So what it sounds like is, it sounds like it's coming from the turbo. It sounds like maybe the impeller, like maybe the bearing's bad in the turbo and the impeller is hitting the body of the turbo. All right, so I have a borescope down in the tube, the intake tube of the turbo. The front of this turbo doesn't come off like most turbos. It's actually got a aluminum sleeve that goes down, and you can see the impeller right there. And then I just took a piece of brake line and I can wiggle the end of the impeller or the intake turbine, and you can see how much play is there. So that's where our noise is coming from. The only fix for this is to replace the turbo. After the turbo is replaced, the noise should be gone. I'm pretty confident in that. If you've had a similar problem, leave me a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.